Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to another episode of Jamaica is Not a Real Place, where we take a look at some of the strangest things we've seen on Jamaican social media. It's all geared towards giving you a laugh and, make you know what's going on. So, alright, so I know that we all have jobs to do, and sometimes you feel like you're jumping through hoops, and sometimes you feel like you have to do anything to keep it walk. But, feel good. You probably wouldn't end up if you do this. And, the boss I look. So you have to make sure him know, say, you like your job. Alright? So let's begin our countdown with number 5. Alright, I don't want you to say I want to go, but no make a night sweet like when the liquor free. And when the liquor free, you hear every drum, you hear every cymbal, and you hear every flute. And this man I hear every guitar, because he might hear the guitar in his head just a play. So, bossy, next time you go to people like night, I'm freely cargiwe. That don't mean you have to drink every single buckle. Because when you drink every single buckle, you're not going to be entertained. You will be the entertainment for the night. Watch out. Like seriously. Brother, stop drinking people them liquor. Anyways, this is a number. Me not have to say no. Number 4. When you hear them say, enough picnic afraid of clown, and them afraid of, one of them something they eat them. Alright, guess what? If that clown that did look like that clown, I can tell you, say, you don't get more than nightmares, you don't get daymares. Take a look on that brother. No, tell me, is this supposed to make the kids happy, or did it make them cry? I'm not quite sure. And check out the post with the picture now. Number 3. Sometimes them say if you practice and practice again. If shame was a person. Me say again, if shame was a person. Number 2. Let through the cowboy. Let through the cowboy. Yeah. John Wayne at his finest could never look like this. John Wayne, you not have nothing for Jamaicans. And our number 1 video is this comfortable person who is almost sleeping with this thing crawling on them face. Now, look at comfort. This is what happens when you're really comfortable. It's like a massage for your face. Yeah man, sleep, comfort. Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Jamaica is not a real place. What we try to just make you happy. And guess what? If you really enjoyed this video, remember you have to like it. Click the like button there and subscribe if you don't subscribe already. And guess what? Watch this next video, what you see pop up right on your screen right now. And guess what? That funny just like that one here. You're gonna love it. Alright, click on it and tell me.